Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some paintings to share with you today from GBFKE. All of these paintings, or each of these paintings were less than £5. So good prices for a nice 30 by 40 painting. They are all 30 by 40 and they are all round. But there is some absolutely gorgeous images in this one. This one is beautiful. So this is Moon Tree. It has 21 different colours in it. The actual canvas size is, or the diamond painting area, is 25 by 35. So you do have 5 centimetres for the border. It all uses letters and numbers, and all the symbols look clear to me. We do have the letter D. We do also have the letter O, but the O is in a brown and the D is in a blue, so they are different. You do get a toolkit, and if I can get the colours to sort of shake out, we have some really nice and bright colours mixed in with this. So we've got some gorgeous pinks for that tree, we've got some gorgeous blues in there, some greens, some yellows, some oranges, excuse me, some more blues. Woo! I think I've stopped. There is a couple of darker colours, but they are mainly just for the shade in here. So we've got some 939 in, of course, this part, but this part is your chunky colour section. So that is painting number 1. Painting number 2, again, 30 by 40 in round. This one is a little bit darker. But the image is still stunning. So this one is a ship on the Moonlight. I think I may have done a moon thing again. I know I've done another unboxing recently where there was quite a few moons in there. This one has 22 colours. It is 25 by 35 again, or just a little bit short of that. But yeah, this one is a lot of blues. There is definitely some darker colours in there, though the darkest colour again is 939 and is mainly in the shading here for the boat, and there is a little bit in this sort of really darker sky at the top. We get a toolkit, and then this one is on strips, so a little bit easier or harder, whichever way you want to look at it, to pull out the colours. But there's quite a lot of purple in this kit, probably actually more purple than blue. There, we do have some blue as well. We've got a few pops of pink, and then we have some more darker blues, some more muted pinks and purples, and a bit more blue. I'm actually surprised at how much purple there is in there, though of course it is very similar to blue. So that'll help bring some depth. It looks like there's quite a lot of purple actually in the sails on the boat, now that I look at it, on the ship, sorry. I call that a ship, not a boat. But yeah, there's quite a lot of purple that actually comes in to those sails. There's actually a little bit of purple in the moon as well, and some in sort of the waves that you can see here around the ship. So different, but still very pretty. And then for the third one, I don't think I have a moon in this one. But again, it's a 30 by 40 in round. These all have DMC numbers with them. This one is a heart, no moon in sight. So it is a little bit different. You do get your toolkit. Let's check if this one looks the same. Yeah, 25 by 35, so about 5 centimetres for your border. But we have what looks like sort of a glass heart sat on a beach with some flowers in there and gorgeous pretty butterflies. This one uses numbers and letters in this one, but still extremely beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I love the way you can see the waves through the heart. This one is also on a strip. So let's have a look at the pretty pinks and blues on this one. Not quite as dark as the other one. We've definitely got some gorgeous dusty pink colours and some white. And we've got some more subtle blues. Some quite an array of pinks to help give that texture. Look, gorgeous, more dusty colours, that's what I'd call it. We do have some more solid blues, some pinks, and we do have some purples in this one too. Mixes very well with both blue and pink to get some nice dusty colours in there. Where is this supposed to go in half? Quite often I will sort of let these hang down, and you can often then find where they fold when you find the middle. Doesn't always work. If you've watched a few of these unboxing videos, you know that. But it's always the way I try and get them back in their packets. But anyway, they are the 3 that I have chosen for unboxings today. Of course, there are many, many more on the website. These are all a little bit different. There is quite a bit of blue going on with a hint of pink. It's a bit of a spot the theme that I was on when I went browsing GBFKE, but there are many, many more images to choose from. I will pop links to each of these down below in case one of them's caught your eye, or just click on one of the random links and go and have a little browse for yourself. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.